tip of the day, let's take a look at how we can set the default CAM options to match the type of machining we do. For example, let's say that in your shop you primarily perform 4-axis machining. So when it comes time to apply toolpath, you're going to want OneCNC to default to that. Well, this is very simple to set up. Let me demonstrate. Let's head over to the left-hand side of the screen, select File, and then OneCNC Properties. Now, within the Properties dialog box, under the General tab, you'll notice you have an option called CAM Options. Default axis type, just left-click, and for that, I'm going to select 4-axis position machining. We'll click OK to that. And now if I were to open a brand new part file, you're going to notice that OneCNC now defaults to 4-axis position machining. All right, that's it for this tip of the day. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Don't forget to click the subscribe button.